Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if the system file checker utility scan is not working or cannot repair corrupt files. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we are going to go ahead and start off by opening up the search menu. Type in CMD, best match to come back with command prompt. Right click on it, select Run as Administrator, then select Yes. So that could have been part of your problem as well. Maybe you weren't running it as an administrator. So go ahead and run it as an administrator now and see if that has resolved the problem. So something else you can try here as well is to run a check disk scan. So type in CHK DSK space /R. Again, exactly how it appears on my screen. Hit enter. So it should come back with check disk cannot run because the volume is in use by another process. Would you like to schedule this volume to be checked the next time the system restarts? Tap the Y key and hit enter. So this volume will be checked the next time the system restarts. Close out of here and then restart your computer. So it's going to give you an option to skip the disk checking. Do not tap any key on your keyboard. I'm going to tap a key because I don't want to make this video too long, but go ahead and actually let it run on your computer. It may take a little bit of time, could take up to an hour or two depending on how large your hard drive is. And then hopefully that should have been able to resolve your problem once that scan has concluded. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.